astronauts and one cosmonaut back on Earth after a splash landing in the Gulf of Mexico overnight. The members of the NASA Crew 8 mission returned to Earth after an 8-month stint on the International Space Station. SpaceX's Dragon capsule brought the crew home. The crew was originally supposed to return back in August, but it was delayed after thruster problems were discovered during the test flights of Boeing's Starliner capsule. So there you go.
Very cool video.
Yeah.
Seeing them splash down like that, you know?
Exciting.
Very exciting. Very
Welcome
exciting.
home.
Welcome home. For real.
Yes.
Okay, we got some sunshine to talk about today. Did you notice the difference in how it felt outside?
Oh yeah, no, it was cold.
A little
I
bit
took
colder,
I took
right?
the dogs out early this morning. It was cold.
Just reversed right back
notice
inside.
it? Who didn't
Yeah.
notice
I'm
it?
glad that you did
Right.
notice because it is a little bit different. We've been enjoying
Yeah.
such
Yes.
nice warm weather, and today we're getting back to normal. But even cooler conditions are coming later this weekend before we're right back to the 70s in time for Halloween. So kind of a roller coaster in terms of temperature for the next little bit. 55 and sunny, taking a live look outside in Nassau County. This is near Lake Success. Gorgeous look at the trees turning. Today is just one of those October classic days, right? Sunny skies with highs near the seasonal average, which does mean cooler than where we've been, but sitting in a good spot. Tomorrow, I think what you'll notice most, a blustery wind associated with a cold front that helps to elevate fire danger because it doesn't come with rain. Just wind, not rain, and eventually colder air. By Sunday, you'll notice another drop in temperature that means our highs are kind of sitting close to where we are right now. Quite a bit cooler as compared to where we've been. 59 right now in Islip, 57 for Bridgeport, 55 in Sussex and Morristown. A nice comfortable afternoon ahead of us. Yeah, we're probably keeping the jackets on a little bit longer today compared to almost 70, which is where we landed yesterday. But it puts us right around where we should be this time of year with abundant sunshine, high pressure, and control the forecast for now. Off to our west, this is the cold front that we're watching. It did bring rain from Chicago over through portions of Michigan into Ohio today. It looks like the Great Lakes picking up some rain right now. But by the time the front slides to us, most of that rain actually fizzles out. So what it brings us is wind and colder conditions. When you have dry air, dry brush, and wind, no rain, means elevated fire danger. And we're still not looking at a solid shot in terms of a rain chance through the next 7 days. So our dry streak in October looks to live on. The driest month in recorded history in New York City was June of 1949, where we picked up 0.02 of an inch. We've only picked up a trace of rain on 2 occasions so far this month, so it looks like we have a good chance at setting a record for a completely dry month in New York City, which is crazy. We need the rain. The drought is an issue at this point. Just not seeing the rain anytime soon. Futurecast today showing our highs in the low 60s with sunshine. A few clouds in the mix tonight, but no issues for Friday night plans. Just grab the jackets as you head out the door. Into tomorrow morning, that front drags through some cloud cover, so we do wake up to start our Saturday under a partly cloudy sky. But the cloud cover should clear by Saturday afternoon. We're back to the sunny skies, highs in the 60s, and that's when the wind picks up. Tomorrow morning, the wind might not be all that noticeable, but by the afternoon, it'll be blustery out there with our top gusts between 30 and 35 miles per hour. That through the majority of the afternoon into the evening, the wind doesn't settle down until tomorrow night. So when you have those dry conditions and the blustery wind, it does elevate the fire danger. Today, we're looking at an increased risk for fire danger, and tomorrow a little bit worse with those heavier winds. Today, looking hour by hour, highs in the low 60s, near normal for this time of year, sunshine, but clouds will slide in once the sun sets tonight. Our highs low to mid 60s, ending up 5 or 6 cooler than yesterday, but again, close to average. Tonight's lows are in the 40s and 50s, and tomorrow's highs are actually a couple degrees warmer. We'll end up in the mid 60s, but I don't think it feels warmer because we have the wind. Then Sunday, noticeably cooler as our highs fall to the 50s. That's where we hold into Monday, and then it's a quick climb to the 70s again for Wednesday and Thursday. So Halloween's forecast actually looks fantastic at this point. 77 is very abnormal for us
Oh my
this time of year,
gosh.
but it should be comfortable. Quite a treat for the trick-or-treaters.
I'm a little nervous to see what's behind the 7-day forecast because I feel like we're going to fall off the cliff
I
now.
know. Is
with
it the
temperatures,
last
you know?
push of warmth?
Debbie Downer. Look at all that good there. What's next? Right?
I would call Liz a lot of things, but not a Debbie Downer.
Thank you,
Come on.
Danny.
She's a delight.
Okay. Doesn't work with you every day.
Oh my gosh. Thank you, Danny.
I'm going to pay for that later.
Still to come, it is a deal that would have shaken up the fashion world. 2 luxury handbag companies trying to merge as one, but a federal judge says, not so fast.
And a detour in a Broadway Hits Future, the show that is shutting down after a successful run.